Welcome to tonight's Treehouse.
Hi guys, welcome to Natalie's Treehouse. Today we're going to be showing off this protective gear set by LBLA. So we have a helmet, and we have knee pads.
These are knee pads.
Those are wrist guards. And we have elbow pads, and those are knee pads.
Now can I screw on my bike?
You can scoot on your scooter for just a little bit, but you got to be careful. Ooh, those are some impressive moves. I do feel safer with you wearing all that stuff.
Probably run makeup.
Yeah.
Now what's this guy?
Ooh, and a bell. So do you like your helmet?
Oh!
Hey, do you like your helmet?
Yeah.
Yeah. You like being able to ride your scooter, don't you?
Yes, you like my scooter? There's a little buggy down there, guys.
It's a little stuffed animal for the doggies. Okay, well, we just wanted to show off this cool protective gear. Natalie likes it, and I feel safer with it. Thanks for watching, guys. You'll have a great day. Bye.